Designed for quality, invented for life. At BSH, we design every appliance carefully to meet the highest standards in quality, performance and convenience. We are here to provide the best consumer experience and simplify your everyday life. Get ready to witness innovation with the exclusive range launched by Bosch. With the launch of this range, we are adopting the direct-to-customer model, which follows a customer-centric approach. BSH has exclusively designed this model to create a personalized brand experience for consumers. People visiting the store can select the product from the range and can submit their order in the BSH system at the dealer location. However, they will be paying for their order directly to BSH by choosing from a wide range of payment modes. We will confirm their order and take care of the delivery too. Moreover, we ensure perfect customer experience from quotation to order fulfillment, which includes inventory, delivery, billing management and follow-ups post the delivery too. Now, let's talk about the logistics involved in the D2C model, starting with the pillars of logistics strategy, which makes the process efficient and smooth. They are branding, which ensures that from a delivery truck to a delivery boy, everyone is a reflection of what our brand stands for. Dedicated manpower provides a smoother customer service experience with the help of trained drivers and skillful delivery people. Special service includes regular shipping updates through SMS and follow-ups after the shipment is delivered, to name a few. To ensure convenient tracking, customers are notified at every stage through SMS. They can easily track their shipment status. Moreover, the appliances are delivered directly by BSH. We ensure timely deliveries and improved customer experience even post-delivery, which includes installation of the product too. Our service does not end here. We reach out to every customer and take feedback after the shipment delivery, ensuring that they receive par excellence experience and lifetime value. Moving on, let's see how this model will benefit consumers in the long run. Here's what's in store for you. Access to exclusive Bosch global portfolio, uniform pricing, offers and promotions. Exceptional brand relationship via personalized shopping experience. IoT-enabled appliances. Seamless product delivery experience and efficient tracking services. With our exclusive range and customer service, we aim to simplify your day-to-day life, letting you experience the fascination of convenient living. Come on board to get an exceptional consumer experience. Reach out to us for more information on our D2C model and the products you want to purchase. Your helping friend is always at your service and would love to assist you.